रामाय रामभद्राय रामचंद्राय वेधसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीताया पतये नमः। ओम भगवत्यै सीतायै नमः। ओम भगवते हनुमते नमः। Now Shivji has told Daksha Kumari, Daksha Prajapati ki beti Sati, that it is not nice to go to father's house when you have not been invited to that, because you will lose your regard and self-respect. But naturally, Sati also has suffered now because of the separation from Shiva. She requires also an opening, so she says, I will go and come, please permit me. So I say, go ahead. We are on page number 82, we will start the first chaupai. Jadapi mitra prabhu pitu gurageha Jaiya binu bole hun sandeha Tadapi virodhaman jaha koi तहाँ गए कल्याण न होई। ये लोक नीति, this is the normal social what you call practical condition, state of affairs, whatever we see in the society. तुलसीदास जी is explaining that. He says, यद्यपि इसमें संदेह नहीं कि मित्र, स्वामी, पिता और गुरु के घर बिना बुलाए भी जाना चाहिए। देखो, चार घरों में हमें पूछने की आवश्यकता नहीं। 4 places we can go without even being invited. मित्र के घर जा सकते हैं, अपने स्वामी के घर जा सकते हैं, पिता के घर जा सकते हैं और गुरु के घर भी जा सकते हैं, बिना बुलाए जा सकते हैं, क्योंकि वह चारों स्थान सेवा के स्थान है। मित्र के लिए कुछ भी हम कभी भी कर सकते हैं, वो भी हमारे लिए कर सकते हैं। A friend can do anything for us, we also can do anything, so there is no barrier. Swami, that is our Lord, either where we are employed or where we are not, in the sense of today. In the earlier days, one can go to see one's Lord. If you are serving somebody, you can go to that place without asking. Pita, one's own father, and Guru, absolutely like our own heart only, so we can go there anytime. यद्यपि जा सकते हैं, बुलाए बिना भी जाना चाहिए, तो भी जहाँ कोई विरोध मानता हो उसके घर जाने से कल्याण नहीं होता है. The same very 4 people which we spoke of just now, for some reason, let us say that they have some resistance in your going. If they have a resistance, one should not go. It will not. What will come to us, we will not accrue benefit or merit, we will be having difficulties to face there. भांति अनेक संभु समुझावा भावी बस न ज्ञान उर आवा कह प्रभु जाहु जो भी नहीं बुलाए नहीं भली बात हमारे भाई. भांति अनेक संभु समझावा. भगवान शंकर ने बहुत तरह से समझा. शंकर जी has explained to Sati, definitely what you are doing is not right, don't go there. भावी बस न ज्ञान उर आवा. Because of the fate, what is going to happen is already, Vidhata has already decided. Because of that, she could not gather the information what Shambhu has told her. What Shambhu is saying, she could not gather the information. तदपि कह प्रभु जाहु जो बिना ही बुलाए. फिर शिव जी ने कहा कि यदि बिना बुलाए जाओगी तो हमारी समझ में अच्छी बात नहीं होगी. It's not that I am stopping. Definitely I know it's a very good occasion, but because you have not been called, You should not go there. If you go there, definitely not good is not going to happen to you. कही देखा हर जतन बहु, रही न दक्ष कुमारी, दिए मुख्य गण संग तब, विदा की न त्रिपुरारी। शिवजी ने बहुत प्रकार से कहकर देख लिया, किंतु जब सती किसी प्रकार भी नहीं रुकी, तब त्रिपुरारी महादेव जी ने अपने मुख्य गणों को साथ देकर उनको विदा कर दिया। So when Shivji tried to explain to Sati that it's not right, she was not able to be convinced. So she decided to go, and so Shivji has sent his own ganas, his own aides, his own assistants, important people. He's sending them along with Sati Devi. पिता भवन जब गई भवानी, दक्ष त्रास काहु न सन्मानी, सादर भले ही मिली एक माता, भगिनी मिली बहुत मुस्काता। Exact description of what today happens in the society. When you go to a place where you have not been invited, how people will turn their faces away. Exactly it is happening. Pita bhavana jab gayi bhavani. When Bhavani Sati went to her father's place, Daksha tras kahuna sanmani. Everybody was aware that she has not been, all were aware that she has not been invited. So out of fear of Daksha Prajapati, nobody even said, come, please come. Welcome also nobody told Sati. Vangen kuda solla. They did not say, welcome also they didn't say. Sadar bhale hi mili ek mata. But her mother, naturally mother's heart is softest of all. So she came and then met Sati, and then they would have not normally, how are you? Everything they would have had normal kushala prashna. They would have had. Bhagini mili bahut muskata. But the nature of the sisters would not be exactly as the same. So they also were giggling. They were giggling and meeting her, not with pleasure, not with happiness. भवानी जब पिता दक्ष के घर पहुंची, तब दक्ष के डर के मारे किसी ने उनकी आवभगत नहीं की। केवल एक माता भले ही आदर से मिली, बहनें बहुत मुस्कुराती हुई मिली। दक्ष न कछु पूछी कुशलाता, सती ही बिलो की जरे सब गाता। सती जाय देखे तब जागा, कतहु न दीख शंभु कर भागा। दक्ष न कछु पूछी कुशलाता. Daksha, उनके पिताजी ने ना पूछ, he did not even ask her how are you, when did you come, what, nothing, he didn't even ask her. Sati ही बिलो की जरे सब गाता. The moment he saw his daughter Sati, his limbs started burning like anything. He was so agitated seeing his daughter who was come uninvited. Sati jai dekhu tab jaga. So Sati also did not bother, that her father did not call her, talk. She directly went to the Yaga Bhumi, where the yajna was going on. Katahu nadik sambhukar bhaga. In every yajna, there will be an altar for every devata, especially the Trimurtis. Especially the Trimurtis should have their altar, Vedika. And there will be offerings there. For Shiva, there will be offering. For Vishnu, there will be offering. From Brahma, there will be offering. Indradi Devatas, Agni, Varuna, Vayu. This is called a Yajna Bhaga. They all have their share in the Yajna. They must get their ahutis. But she went and looked that she didn't find Shiva's place at all there. तब चित चढ़ेऊ जो शंकर कहेऊ, प्रभु अपमान समुझि उरु दहेऊ। पाछिल दुख न हृदय अस व्यापा, जसयः भयउ महापरितापा। तब चित चढ़े जो शंकर कहे वो। अब समझ में आया जो शंकर जी ने बोला था। Now I understand what Shankar ji has said. Now I am able to gather the meaning. प्रभु अपमान समुझि उरदहेउ। The moment she realized that her Swami is being insulted, she started burning from inside like anything. She couldn't tolerate the insult. Pachina dukhu na hridaya asavyapa. The pain of separation from Shiva did not seem so much as the pain which she is experiencing now because of the insult of her Swami. Jasayah bhayavu mahaparitapa. It was great. Pain was very, very, very unbearable pain. Mahaparitapa. Jadyapi jagadarun dukhnan. Jadyapi jagadarun dukhnana. सबते कठिन जाति अवमाना। समुझिसो सती भयउवति क्रोधा। बहुविधि जननी कीन प्रबोधा। Whenever such occasions, such complicated situations occur, there is only one person who will be there, is mother. Mother will definitely be there to explain and make people aware of the right thing. Dharma bodhanam. Jadyapi jagadharuna dukhnana. Although this world has got so many types of sorrows and sufferings, but sabte kathina jati avamana. Most difficult to bear among all these sufferings and difficulties in this world is when one's dear and near are insulted. That's what the meaning of the word jati. One's dear and near, when they are insulted, that cannot be, one cannot bear that, one cannot stand it at all. That's the most difficult thing. Samujiso sati bhayav ati krodha. Naturally, Sati was very, very angry about what had happened. Bahuvidhi janani kina prabodha. Her mother, she tried to explain to her, don't worry, we will make it up, something will make it up, don't worry. But she did not listen. यद्यपि जगत में अनेक प्रकार के दारुण दुख हैं, तथापि जाति अपमान माने अपने प्यारे के अपमान सबसे बढ़कर कठिन है। यह समझकर सती जी को बड़ा क्रोध हो गया। माता ने उन्हें बहुत प्रकार से समझाया बुझाया। शिव अपमान न जाई सही, हृदय न होई प्रबोध, सकल सभई हटि हटकी तब, बोली बचन सक्रोध। We'll pause here today. Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu Sahavidyam Karavavahai Tejasvinavaditamastu Ma Vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah, Sarve Santu Niramayah, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। ओम शांति शांति शांति।